I want to show you two things before we start the install. Usually, I'm not one, I don't like installing screen protectors at all. For my phone, I had to go to Apple just for them to professionally install them. First of all, before you even install, this is, as you can see, this is the one that came with Tesla. We're still gonna have to wipe it down, but first, before you even start anything, first you have to, because you don't want to touch anything that you can't undo, first you have to go to display, and then go to screen cleaning mode, and then now you're perfect. You can start your install. This is what came with the screen protector. First, I know we haven't taken this off, but we still have to, you know, wipe it down, and then the wet and the dry. And these are the guides, so you don't mess up. We're gonna have to put the guides over here, as well as the dust absorber. And then it came with a microfiber towel. And of course, these people, they're kind of a little bit selfish. Look at the small towel they use just for this 20-inch screen. Like, it's not convenient. So we have to be strategic in how we do this. So now with this part, you cannot mess up, because once you place it, like, it's gonna annoy you for the rest of this car's lifetime. Honestly, it's not like a phone. You can get it, like, you're gonna have to get a whole new one, and this is your daily driver. So you want to really be meticulous and be focused in how you do this. And I also recommend you get paper tape, because also they wanted to be selfish with their guide tape. You want it symmetrical, nothing but. Okay, so this is, I'm not even gonna lie, this is a two-person job. Because if I couldn't do this, it would have, like, the OCD would have been crazy. It wouldn't be symmetrical at all. And this is the paper tape. Now what you want to do is flip it up and pull the tab. But before you do all that, as I said before, you want it to be no dust, because there's dust everywhere, particles everywhere. So you want it to be perfect, near perfection at least, because you're gonna see it. It's gonna be a one dust particle conveniently placed where the speedometer is. You know, you don't want that. You don't want that. You cannot do this with the tape that they gave you. This is why it's a two-person job. You see how focused my uncle's face is? You need to be this focused. So soothing. Static. Place it down ever so slightly. Let it attach itself. Last but not least, it came with the business card, because so you can evenly distribute the stickiness and adhesive. Okay, so Sadly, we don't. You can use a credit card to, you know, smoothen it out, but this can work just as fine. Just as fine. Let it even out. And then, yeah. And then how you get out of the screen cleaning mode, you just hold this for 3 seconds and then you're all set. Just look, seamless. Just the way it is. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I highly recommend you protect your screen as well. You don't want it to get messed up. That's expensive screen, you know. Yeah, just enjoy the screen, protect it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and any questions I wanted to answer down below. Thank you so much. Take care.